February 20, 2022 is a Sunday. Welcome to your daily weather for the great city of San Diego. The temperature today should reach up to 63 degrees Fahrenheit and down to 56 degrees Fahrenheit. Bring plenty of water out today, because humidity is at 56%. You can expect no rain and no snow today. Not many clouds. We've got moderate wind at about 10 miles per hour. Tomorrow is going to be warm with light rain. Tuesday is going to be warm with light rain. Wednesday is going to be warm with light rain. Thursday is going to be warm with clear sky. Friday is going to be warm with clear sky. Saturday is going to be warm with clear sky. No weather alerts at the moment. And now for the news. Warning: some news stories can be disturbing or offensive. Stories are provided by various sources. Wow, I have no opinion at all, but the alleged culture of racism at Tesla's most important factory. In November 2017, Marcus Vaughn, a former assembly worker, filed a lawsuit against Tesla, calling the plant a hotbed of racist behavior. In other California news, website of Queen's Charity promotes Prince Harry's U.S. coaching firm. A leading Commonwealth charity which has the Queen as its patron is promoting the online coaching business that employs Prince Harry as its chief impact officer. In other California news, Disneyland is super optimistic that unvaccinated people will follow their mask rules. In response to most of California dropping indoor mask mandates, Disneyland has adopted a policy that appears optimistic. For our next story, California bill would allow citizens to enforce weapons ban. San Diego AP: a new bill in California would allow private citizens go after gun makers in the same way Texas lets them target abortion providers. Governor. That's it, California. Have a good one. To help support improvement of our show, please click subscribe. See description for sources. This content contains information from OpenWeather (TM API), which is made available here under the Open Database License (ODBL).